Tetrahedral complexes. Tetrahedral complexes are formed by sp3 hybridization. Examples are given here. 4 examples are there. And let us do one first example, that is NiCO 4 times. Tetrahedral complex, an example. First one, oxidation state of the element nickel. X plus 0 into 4 is equal to 0. Therefore, oxidation state of nickel is 0. Now, 2. Atomic number of nickel is equal to 28. Therefore, electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 3d8, 4s2. Therefore, the representation of the electrons in the D and S. 3d8 can be represented like this. 3 orbitals are already paired and only 2 unpaired orbitals, electrons there, and 4s2. Since the oxidation state is 0, there is no electrons are lost from here. But there is a rule, a change in rule. In the presence of strong CO ligands, just like what we learned about the CN ligands in inner orbital complexes, the rearrangement takes place and the 4s electrons are forced to join the 3d orbital. That means these electrons get unpaired and each electron will get paired in the 3d orbital. Thereby 3d orbital all get paired and the 4s orbital remains empty. That is what happened, that is this step. That means because of the strong ligand CO, the 4s electrons are shifted to 3d and get paired. Therefore, in 3d orbital, all the electrons are paired. Now, the sp and then it undergoes sp3 hybridization. Thus, the nickel can provide 4s and 4p. That is, now 4s is empty. This empty 4s and 3p orbital, all the 3p orbitals together undergoes sp3 hybridization and forms 4 hybrid orbitals of equal energy, which are directed towards the 4 corners of a regular tetrahedron. These orbitals overlap with the orbitals of the CO ligands and thus tetrahedral complex is formed. These are the after hybridization. We can represent it as these are the hybrid orbital, 4 hybrid orbitals. And these hybrid orbitals overlap with the 4 CO ligands. That is why each orbital, the paired electrons are shown, that is from the CO ligands. Therefore, this is the shape of, next is the shape of the molecule is tetrahedral. NiCO 4 times, the complex is showing a tetrahedral shape and you have to draw the geometry of the molecule. Next is the magnetic nature. All the electrons are paired, therefore, see, look at that. All the electrons in the D and in the hybridized orbitals are all paired. Therefore, it is diamagnetic in nature. These are the details of the sp3 hybridization.